Traveling doesn't have to be stressful, expensive, or overwhelming. But here's the truth. Most people miss out on simple hacks that can make trips smoother, cheaper, and way more enjoyable. Today, I'm sharing the 7 travel hacks I wish I knew sooner. And once you try them, you'll wonder how you ever traveled without them. Welcome back to You Trippin', your guide to traveling smarter, whether you're flying, cruising, or exploring somewhere new. If you love making every trip easier and more affordable, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. Hack number 1, the Google Flights secret. When booking flights, don't just go straight to your favorite airline. Use Google Flights in incognito mode to avoid price tracking, then set up price alerts. If you're flexible with your travel dates, especially midweek departures, you can save a surprising amount of money. I've seen flights drop by over $200 just by shifting one day forward. Hack number 2, pack smarter with compression cubes. Rolling clothes is helpful, but compression cubes are a game changer. Not only do they maximize space, they also keep you organized. Shirts in one cube, pants in another, and so on. When you open your bag at security or in your hotel, you're not digging through a mess. It also makes repacking quick, especially if you're moving between cities. Hack number 3, download offline maps. Wi-Fi and data can be unpredictable when you're traveling. One of the smartest things you can do before leaving is download your destination in Google Maps offline. You'll still get walking directions, restaurant listings, and points of interest even with zero service. It saved me more than once when I was trying to find a hotel down a winding street at midnight. If these tips are already helping you, do me a favor, hit the like button and drop a comment with your favorite travel hack so far. It really helps more travelers find these videos, and who knows, your tip might make it into the next list. Hack number 4, bring a multi-port charger. Airport outlets are always full, and hotels never seem to have enough. A compact multi-port charger lets you power everything at once: your phone, earbuds, tablet, and even a power bank. Instead of carrying 3 or 4 bulky plugs, you only need one. Hack number 5, avoid crazy ATM fees. Airport currency exchanges almost always give you the worst rates. A better option is to use your debit card at a local ATM. You'll usually get the actual exchange rate, which is much better. Just check with your bank to see if they reimburse ATM fees or foreign transaction fees. Some banks do, and it can save you a lot over the course of a trip. Hack number 6, use a dummy wallet. In busy tourist areas, pickpocketing is unfortunately still common. One hack is to carry a cheap dummy wallet with just a few dollars or expired cards in it, and keep your real wallet tucked away. If someone does grab the decoy, you won't lose anything valuable. It gives you peace of mind, especially in crowded spots like subways, markets, or festivals. Hack number 7, screenshot everything. Technology is great until it isn't. Boarding passes, train tickets, hotel confirmations. Screenshot them all before you travel. Even if your phone dies at the airport Wi-Fi check or an app glitches, you'll always have proof right in your camera roll. This one small habit has saved me from missed connections and stressful moments more than once. These hacks have made my trips smoother, cheaper, and a lot less stressful. Which one are you going to try first? Or do you have a hack of your own that every traveler should know? Share it in the comments. I'd love to feature the best ones in future videos. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to You Trippin' for more travel tips, destination guides, and hacks that make exploring the world easier. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.